Today, let's find out our job target with this 1991 Mitsubishi Pajero. Hello, I'm Kenny, and this is Skunkworks Customs. So, story time. We received the vehicle last week but started dismantling almost everything just yesterday. Maybe some of you might have seen it because we already posted some of the sneak peeks in the form of photos and videos, so it might have appeared on your feed. The team are all excited on this project. That's why we wanted it to be documented, and here I am taking snaps of today's work. Because the before and after of this 4x4 Pajero is something that we wanna see till the end. But of course, malayo pa tayo dyan. We are just starting. In this part, you can see that Team Skunk are all busy in dismantling and disassembling everything from the interior up to its exterior. The bumpers were removed yesterday, and right now, they are focused on removing the rubber matting and other accessories. The car doors were also removed, including the door seals, and the vehicles getting bare minute by minute. At dahil marami na nga ang naalis sa loob ng sasakyan, makikita na ang dami ng kalawang ng flooring ng sasakyan na to. We are also being careful with the electrical cables. And this week, this will be an endless preparation. Nakikinig-kinita ko na kung gano'n namin ito katagal gagawin. Pero syempre, hindi dapat panghinaan ng loob dahil nagsisimula pa lamang kami. In restoring a certain vehicle, the first phase of assessing the state of it matters the most. That's why, slowly but surely, we are checking everything to see if there's an existing rusts, holes, damaged or broken parts in every panels, missing accessories, or etc. And that's how preparation becomes a little bit challenging and well, it takes a lot of time. Car restoration involves returning a vehicle to its original or better condition, and this can include repairing or replacing parts, repainting, and refurbishing the interior. And the process also includes the following, like assessment and planning, where we usually evaluate the car's condition and we plan the restoration process. And that's what we are doing now. Also, the disassembly. We carefully take the car parts to repair or replace the components. It also involves the bodywork and other mechanical repairs. And when we do repairs, we also have to consider the painting of the car. And it's not just the exterior that we usually restore. We also need to have the restoration of the interior where we refurbished or replaced the seats, the carpets, and other interior components. But that also depends on the client and also to the automotive shop. When everything is all good, we have to reassemble everything. In this part, we should be putting back the car accessories together and its other components to ensure that everything works fine. And lastly, the final touches. But, well, it's easier said than done. Kaya need pa natin na maghintay sa mga susunod pang mga araw para makita natin kung paano yung magiging process para sa 33-year-old na Pajero na to. Hindi katulad ng mga nakaraan naming projects, mabilis lang naming nire-release yung mga sasakyan. Pero ngayon, we will be needing a lot of time. Because this project is really time-consuming, and yes, this is an expensive process where we require skills in various areas of automotive repair, and we should keep a keen eye in every details. Kaya naman hindi kami pwedeng mag-proceed sa panibagong step or another phase nang hindi namin nasisigurado na tama ang mga naunang proseso. At kung makikita nyo nga, ilang tao na ang nag-aasikaso nito and makikita nyo na yung mga binakbak na parte kung saan lumilitaw na talaga yung mga kalawang. Ito naman ay dapat na nating i-expect dahil may 3 dekada ng buhay itong sasakyan na to. But we should be careful para mabalik natin yung dating hitsura niya. Or yet, much better. And katulad niyan, may mga butas na kitang-kita na sa sahig. Diyan parte yung sa passenger seat yung inalis namin yung upuan and talagang sira na, may butas na. So the team's not done yet with the cleaning and the preparation. So most probably mas marami pa tayong makikita niyan in the next few days. Pero much better kung mas makikita yun na maaga para matreat na siya. Sa bandang roof naman, kita nyo na yan yung inalisan ng insulation. Binakbak na namin yung bandang itaas, gayon din yung sahig. And sa susunod, ayan, nakita nyo na sa sahig yung mga natanggal na insulation. At dahil marami na silang natanggal, sinimulan na rin nilang linisin yung bandang ibaba, yung sahig na yan, yung flooring, para mas makita kung saan pang parte yung may sira o para makita na meron bang butas o wala. Kailangan din naming bakbakin yun dahil para makita nga yung mga parte na may bulok na katulad nito, tingnan nyo, durog na yung pinakang sahig. In this area, you're gonna be seeing all the removed parts and components of the 33-year-old Pajero. Well, this will be all for now, but see you tomorrow for our next day 3 entry. Bye!